Alright, what up, good people? It's your boy Ellis back again. Like I told y'all, we was gonna dig off into this Brougham. Let's see what was going on. We changed out that fuel filter. Didn't have no more. We had pressure, still not enough though, right? So I said, all right, well, commit, come home one day after work. We're just gonna drop the tank. Boom. Well, come to find out, it's not the tank. It's not the pump. It's not the pump. This doggone hose right there. So as you can see, that is split, right? So when the pump primes, there's no pressure being held. You get what I'm saying? It can't hold no pressure, can't build no pressure, none of that. So that's our culprit. So we're just gonna have to undo these, get a little piece of get another piece of hose, replace that piece of hose, put it on there. We should be good to go. So I had that backup Kimzo on standby. I thought it was a pump, but I like it ain't really went nowhere. But it definitely makes more sense. I think this might be a little piece. It might be a little piece of hose that come with it. So I might have been trying to get away with that when I knew I should have put a piece of fuel injection hose on there. I learned my lesson to put the fuel injection clamps, but I don't think that's fuel injection hose, which is needed to withstand the pressure. The pressure! So, let me see if I can find my hose scrap box, bag, bucket. Get a piece of hose, get it on there and see if she won't sing for daddy. It's running though. We can work out the kinks, baby. Hit that left turn signal on them pussies. Yeah, they wouldn't have thought about it at all. That whole ass fuel hose. I don't know why I can't get no turn Little bitty bitch. Yeah. Check his out. Yeah. It's go time, bitches. 2024. Yeah. I got that motherfucker cranking over in y'all bitch ass. Thuggish, ruggish, bone looking ass boy. Yeah, yo. I gotta see what the fuck that tapping is. Goddamn throttle body. Radio work at all, my boy. Power button, non-responsive. Turn it down and pull that up out of here anyway. Alright, so let me bring y'all up to date with what we figured out. We pretty much got everything tightened back down. We got the throttle body tightened down the way it need to be. As far as the fuel line is good up here. There is still a slight leak, which I did go ahead and order some more hose and fittings so I can just make a totally different line. But it will crank right on up. The loudest part of that tapping, which I hope is not the valve train. Power steering whining a little bit, but I put that hose back there so that'll idle down like that. Yeah, so replace that hose, fix the leak, fix the fuel leak that we got back here. Like I said, it's I ordered a whole nother hose and some different fittings, this time the Russell style, to see if they'll make a different impact. But Should be good to go. Tanks back up, doing what it needed to. But overall, I mean, I like the sound of it. Not super duper aggressive, not super duper loud. I don't want this one to necessarily be like head turning or no shit like that. Just classy, you know what I'm saying? Classy. I turned the switch, but it's running out the alternator at this point. But yes, sir. But either way, man, progress out here being made. That's what we doing. Big progress being made. So just stay tuned. We'll get that hose fixed. As we get that hose fixed, we can pretty much put everything back together up here up front. I was also figuring out the wiring for the fans, which I figured that out. So we'll get those wired in and hooked up to the trigger wires. What else? I think that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. So yeah, get that put together, get it going up and down the street with no leaks. Start the tuning. After we do the tuning, then we can go ahead and start doing cosmetic. So which will probably start up under the hood and work backwards. So new underhood insulation like we done did on the other two cars. Then we'll come inside, finish doing what we was doing in here. So we got the Sandman joints there. We'll put our Sandman door seals, strikers, vents. That should be pretty straightforward install. Get in there with the dash after we get it tuned and everything. Make sure that that's on the up and up. Ooh, I got something to show y'all. But I'll wait for next video. So yeah, get the dash installed. And then, yeah, dash installed. Then probably start working with the music. I got some stuff that I need to finalize with the decisions for the console. So I'll be hitting y'all with that so we can go ahead and get that in line and get that in production to get made. And yeah, that should be it. So we're just gonna focus right here. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Dakota. You know what I'm saying? Get the rest of the front of the car. So Dakota console. You know what I'm saying? I'm focusing on this front right here. And then yeah. In there. So as always, man, you know what it is. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.